Hello viewers, I am Jai Pandit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing the applications of power electronics. By the end of this lecture, students will be able to list applications of power electronics. Before going to the applications of power electronics, let us first look back upon the evolution of power electronics. The progress of power electronics today has been possible due to the research that took place in the field of power semiconductor devices. Era of power electronics started with the advent of SCR, that is silicon controlled rectifier. In the year 1956, Bell Labs in USA presented the first SCR. With this invention, further development of PNPN devices started. In the year 1958, Triacs and GTOs were developed. Year 1975 was the year for development of BJTs. We all know BJTs changed the future of electronics industry. Along with the development of BJTs, MOSFET and SIT were also developed. Based on the development of MOSFET, IGBT was developed in 1985. IGBT consists of all the features of BJT as well as MOSFET. The wide bandgap devices, which are also popularly known as WBGs, are becoming very popular these days. These devices were developed in the year 1995. From this slide, we can see that power electronics is spread in wide number of applications like home, aerospace, automotive, industrial, medical, power utility systems, transportation, telecommunication, games and entertainment, and some commercial applications also. Let us now see one by one all these applications. Let us start with home applications of power electronics. In case of our home, if you see, we can find a number of applications which are having star ratings. These star ratings are given by an agency named BEE, that is Bureau of Energy Efficiency. As the name suggests, these ratings are given to the devices which are having high efficiency. Now this high efficiency is achieved with the help of power electronic converters which are fitted inside the devices. In our refrigerator, we are having compressors. Also in air conditioner, we are having compressors. These compressors are run by power electronic converters. In case of lighting application, all of us are nowadays moving towards LED lighting. LED lights are driven by power electronic drivers. Vacuum cleaners, they are also supplied by power electronic converters. In our television, we are having LCD television or LED television, which are dominating the industry these days. In both LCD as well as LED television, the power supply is controlled by power electronic converters. The cooking appliances, which is widely used in our kitchen, that is induction cooktop, is controlled by a power electronic converter. So in home application, we can find all these applications in the aerospace industry. The applications of power electronics are aeroplane power systems, space vehicle power system, satellite power system, space exploration robot power system. Let us first start with the aeroplane power system. You must have heard about the aeroplanes which are powered from solar power. In those aeroplanes, solar panels are mounted on the top of the aeroplane. Solar power generates electrical energy from the solar energy. That electrical energy is transferred to the motors with the help of power electronic converters. Motors runs the fan, and in that way the plane flies. In case of normal turbine based aeroplanes also, power electronic converters are used to reduce the size of the electrical equipment. In space vehicle power system, power electronic converters are used for powering the computers and other electromechanical systems through battery. In satellite power system, again there are some solar panels which are fitted on the satellite for generating electrical energy. Power electronic converters are used for maximum power point tracking of that solar panel, with the help of which batteries are charged, and when the power is required, again other power electronic converter takes that power from the battery and supplies it to the different systems available in the satellite, such as cameras, transmitter, receivers, etc. In case of space exploration robots, there are different electromechanical systems required for the movement of the space exploration robot as well as communication purpose. For powering these systems, power electronic equipments are used. Space exploration robot, as it is not having any direct connection with the earth, it is again relying on the solar power. So the batteries in the space exploration robots are again charged with the help of power electronic converters and solar panels. In the automotive sector, in earlier days, electric vehicles were not that popular. The reason behind that was the range of that electric vehicle. The range of electric vehicle in earlier days was very small, of around 30 to 40 kilometers. But nowadays, with the development in the battery technology as well as the development of power electronics, the range of this electric vehicle has extended to around 300 kilometers, which is a very respectable range. In case of electric vehicle coming from the battery charging, power electronic converters are used. Power electronic converters are available for fast charging the battery as well as slow charging of the battery. Once the battery is charged and vehicle is ready to run, for running that vehicle, electric vehicle drivetrain which is used is made up of power electronic converters. A very important feature in electric vehicle, which is regenerative braking, is made possible because of the power electronic converters. When the electric vehicle is running, the battery is managed with the battery management system, which also consists of power electronic converters. The auxiliaries which are available in the electric vehicle, or say any other vehicle which are powered from the battery, are supplied with the help of power electronic converters. In case of electric vehicles, these auxiliaries consist of air conditioning systems, entertainment systems, protection system of that vehicle, such as central locking system. In industrial sector, let us move forward our discussion with the application of power electronics in fan and pumps. Consider that we want to control the flow of a particular fluid. That fluid is pumped with the help of a particular pump. To control the flow of that fluid, we will be using a damper or a valve depending on the nature of the fluid. If the fluid is gas, then we are going to use a damper, and if it's a liquid, we are going to use a valve. Now, we know that valve as well as a damper are analogous to resistors in electrical system. Whenever current flows through a resistor, there occurs a power loss in a resistor. Similarly, when the flow of any fluid is controlled with the help of a valve or a damper, there occurs a power loss. Then how to reduce this power loss? We know that if the speed of this pump or fan is reduced, we will be able to reduce the flow of the fluid. If we are able to increase the speed of the fan or pump, we will be able to increase the flow of fluid. So, for increasing the speed of fan or pumps, we are using variable frequency drives which changes the speed of motor which is driving the pump or fan. In this way, with the help of power electronics, we are able to control the flow of a fluid without causing power loss. Another advantage of it is, if we are reducing the speed of the motor, the electrical energy required for driving that particular load by the motor will also be reduced. In this way, the efficiency of the entire system will be improved. Now, in case of furnaces, in earlier days, we were going for blast furnaces. Blast furnaces create pollution. Along with the pollution, the time constant required for heating up the blast furnace is also very large. Compared to that, induction furnaces, which use power electronic converters, have very small time constant, and the pollution can also be avoided with the help of induction furnace. Hence, industry has moved on to induction furnaces. Next application is electromagnet. In the shipyards or in the shipping industry, when we want to lift huge metal containers which are used in the shipping, we are going for electromagnets. For powering those electromagnets or controlling the electromagnets, we are using power electronic converters. Different drivetrains used for driving various motors in the industry are again made up of power electronic converters. The UPS system, which is also known as uninterrupted power supplies, are also made up of power electronic converters. In medical industry also, power electronics has got wide range of application, such as MRI scanners. MRI scanners are used for scanning of a patient's body with the help of huge amount of magnetic field. This magnetic field is created with the help of large currents flowing through a particular coil. For controlling the magnetic field, we need to control the current flowing through that particular coil. this controlling of current is done with the help of power electronic converters. Various lasers which are used for the surgeries are also run by the power supplies which are made up of power electronic devices. Power supplies to various monitoring systems used Power supplies to various monitoring systems are also made up of power electronic devices. These monitoring systems are used mostly for monitoring the stability of a patient. The fitness equipment that we are using in our day-to-day life are again powered by power electronic converters. In case of transportation industry, power electronic has got applications in electric locomotive, maglev systems, motor drive systems. In case of locomotives, power electronic converters are used for driving the motors fitted at the axle of that locomotive. The motors fitted in the axle of locomotive, they need to produce a huge amount of torque for driving the entire train. Controlling of that particular motor or motors is done with the help of power electronic converters. Motor drives used in tram systems as well as electric buses are also made up of power electronic converters. Maglev systems. Now maglev system has got a wide range of possibilities in near future. A very good example of maglev system is Hyperloop, which is being developed by a businessman in USA named Elon Musk. Hyperloop has got a tunnel inside which a capsule will run at very high speeds with the help of maglev systems. Maglev is magnetic levitation. For creating a huge amount of magnetic field, we need power electronic converters. In power utility system, power electronics is used for maintaining the stability of power system as well as improving the power quality of the power supplied by the power system. Power electronic converters are used in STATCOMs, power factor correctors, VAR compensators, static circuit breakers. In case of HVDC converters, power electronics is used for transforming the power from AC form to DC form and transmitting it to huge distances with higher efficiency. Along with that, HVDC converters are used in some places for connecting two different grids which are running at different frequencies and which are located nearer to each other by means of geographic location. In telecommunication sector, power electronic converters are used for powering the transmitters and receivers fitted on mobile towers. Power electronic converters are also used for charging our mobiles. These power electronic converters are fitted inside the mobile chargers. Because of this power electronic converters only, the weight of the mobile charger is going down and down day by day. Power electronic converters are also used for charging the batteries of the wireless systems such as walkie-talkies used by emergency response teams such as police, ambulances, fire systems, etc. So at last, if we raise a question, where can we find the applications of power electronics? The answer to this question would be almost in every sector where electricity is present. So in this lecture, we have seen applications of power electronics in different sectors. These are some references used for preparing this presentation. Thank you. If you like this video, please do hit the like button, subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will keep on getting the notification whenever we upload the new video. Thank you.